Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about the topic versatile nature of carbon. There are approximately 3 million compounds of carbon and there is a complete dedicated field of chemistry which deals with carbon and its compounds only. And that field is known as organic chemistry. Carbon has a versatile nature because of two very important properties. The first one is catenation. That means carbon has the ability to form bonds with other carbon atoms. It can make long chains like this. It can make branch structures like this. And it can also make ring structures like this. It can also make single, double and triple bonds. The compounds which make single bonds, these are known as saturated compounds. Saturated compounds. And the compounds of carbon which make double or triple bonds, these are known as unsaturated compounds. Now next property of carbon, that is tetravalency. Here tetra means 4 and valency, that means the number of electrons which are present in the outermost shell. So here carbon has 4 electrons in the outermost shell and it can combine with 4 different elements. Carbon can combine with oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, etc. This is all about the versatile nature of carbon. If you have any question, you can leave a comment. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.